Bullish Polygon cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.30 and $9.36 by 2030. Market examiners accept Matic could reach $4.30 by 2025. Bearish Polygon market cost expectation for 2022 is 76 cents. Polygon presentation. Polygon is intended to be a scaling answer for the complex idea of blockchain networks. It intends to bind together and smooth out the procedure on blockchain networks, permitting them to work all the while, work on the speed and diminish time and expenses. The outrageous measure of traffic and clog on the activities of Ethereum have driven its decentralized application framework to turn out to be practically unusable, with low throughput and specialized misfires, which is what Polygon intends to address. Since its send-off, Polygon has drawn in 130 million clients, facilitated 3.4 billion exchanges, and aided the advancement of 20,000 applications. In this aid, we present Polygon's operations and highlights, give its cost forecasts in light of specialized and central examination, and investigate whether it is a beneficial speculation. What is Polygon? To forestall the obstructing of Ethereum's decentralized application frameworks and the increasing expenses related with said clog, Polygon is a Layer 2 organization that doesn't modify Ethereum's blockchain in any capacity. As a matter of fact, works at the same time as a layer. It works with various organizations and has many purposes, thus the name Polygon, a rearrangements instrument for the complex Ethereum blockchain. It settles and forestalls the blockages liable to happen on the Ethereum blockchain given the information traffic, and is likewise furnished with better security frameworks. Matic is the unit of installment between members who utilize the Polygon organization, a marking it held as the computerized coin of the organization. Polygon specialized investigation. The product improvement pack of Polygon is intended to fabricate side chains that can work in contact with the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. The fundamental chain that Polygon works on is a proof-of-stake sidechain where network clients can decide on overhauls and stake Matic tokens. The sidechains utilize versatility techniques, which are plasma chains, which intertwine exchanges into blocks and afterward collect them into a solitary accommodation on the Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups, which can scale Ethereum brilliant agreements, CK rollups, which consolidate numerous exchanges into a solitary exchange. Polygon central examination. Polygon was planned with explicit highlights to battle specific issues with the Ethereum blockchain becoming superseded with information to make the exchanges less expensive and quicker. The sidechains are concluded on the Ethereum main chain while the tasks happen independently at the same time and are collectivized into the principal chain. The public sidechain is viable with various conventions. The elements empower multi-chain exchanges at a lower cost, taking less time and empowering more clients on the organization to profit from a consistent UI. To act as scaling arrangements, Polygon has presented 4 plans. First and foremost, Polygon POS, which recoveries costs, speeds up in its job as a Layer 2 arrangement. The Polygon Hermes scaling arrangement gives clients the choice to include their own highlights, their own sidechain, which they can then absorb with the bigger blockchain. This is an extraordinary choice for clients needing to turn out to be more involved with their tasks. Finally, Polygon Dusk is intended to bring down the think twice about protection and security on blockchains and centers principally around this area of exchange arrangements. It doesn't stop there with the improvement of Polygon, as other scaling arrangements are in progress. Polygon Zero is an alternate scaling arrangement from other zero information scaling arrangements and has every one of the fundamental highlights of a Layer 2 arrangement. Polygon Profit focuses off-chains and independent chains, while Polygon Meden is another Layer 2 scaling arrangement that utilizes the creating field of zero information to join large number of exchanges and diminishing information traffic along the ETH chain. Polygon Current Cost. Polygon is at present worth 95 cents USD. Matic has moved 5.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,491,255,632. Polygon is presently positioned 410 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $9,069,111,620 USD. Polygon Value Expectation 2022. Polygon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Matic cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.43. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.34 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Matic is supposed to have a base worth of $1.15. Polygon Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Polygon Matic cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Matic will before long outperform $2.39. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Matic's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Matic will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.91 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.10. Polygon Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.34 and Matic might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Matic is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.05 and a low of $2.86 in 2024. Polygon Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Polygon effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Matic coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Matic will be green in 2025. The Matic is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.30, with a base cost of $3.82 and a typical cost of $4.01. Polygon Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Matic cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.96 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.77 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Matic has a most extreme value worth of $5.25. Polygon Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.92. In the event that Matic figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $6.21. Neglecting to accumulate the help Matic needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.73. Polygon Value Forecast 2028. While Matic is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.68 and a yearly cost close above $7.16 in 2028. Polygon Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Polygon will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.64 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.11, averaging out at $7.83. Polygon Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that